day 8 of 3 months English course, which is week 2, Nouns and Pronouns. Introduction to these two terms, what type of nouns are there and what type of pronouns are there. So we'll discuss these two in detail with their types. So let's get started. So let me ask you a question. ጥያቄ ልጠይቃችሁ። The phone you are holding, የያዛችሁት ስልክ፣ the chair you are sitting on, የተቀመጣችሁበት ወንበር፣ the city you are living in, የምትኖሩበት ከተማ, do they have names? ስም አላቸውን? Yes, they do. In English, these names are known as or called nouns. ስም ይባላሉ ማለት ነው። እነሱ ስም ይባላሉ ማለት ነው። Let's continue. But if we don't want to repeat the same noun again and again, መደጋገም ባንፈልግ ማለት ነው, that is where pronouns come in. ፕሮናውን የሚባሉት ያስፈለጉበት ምክንያት እነዛ ስሞች መደጋገም ስለማንፈልጋቸው ወይም መደጋገም ስለማያስፈልግ ነው። በዚህ ጊዜ ፕሮናውን ወይም የስም ተኪ ቃላት ይረዱናል። In today's 15 minutes lesson, በዛሬው የ15 ደቂቃ ትምህርት, you learn what noun is. noun ምንድን ነው? What is pronoun or what pronoun is? pronoun ምንድን ነው? And how to use them correctly in everyday English. በዕለት ተዕለት ወይም በየቀኑ የእንግሊዝኛ ንግግራችን እንዴት ነው የምንጠቀማቸው የሚለውን ነገር ዛሬ እንማራለን። So let's get started. እንጀምር። ባለፈው ሳምንት last week we learned alphabet, greetings, numbers, days, self introduction ተምረናል። ራስን ማስተዋወቅ. We are going to learn now onward grammars. grammar ነው የምንማረው። ስለዚህ grammar እንጀምራለን. Let's continue. Noun is a word that names a person. ሰዎችን የምንጠራበት, place, things or ideas, ሀሳቦችን የምንጠራበት, ቦታዎችን የምንጠራበት, ነገሮችን የምንጠራበት ስም ነው ማለት ነው። ናውን የምንለው ስም በአማርኛ ናውን ማለት ሰዎችን የምንጠራበት፣ ቦታን የምንጠራበት፣ እቃን የምንጠራበት፣ እንስሳን የምንጠራበት ወይም ሀሳብን የሚጠራ ቃል ነው። Let's say, for example, the name of persons or the name of person. Teacher is the name of person who teach students. Doctor is the name of person who diagnose patients. Farmer is the name of person who plows the land. Student is the name of person who learn education. Mother is the name of person who born child. Father is the name of person also. Police officer, a name of person. Friend is a name of person also. School is the name of place where we learn education. Hospital is the name of place where we get diagnosed. Home is the name of place where we live. Church is the name of place where we pray to God. Mosque is also the same. For Muslims, market is the name of place where we buy things. City is the name of place where we live in. Name of things. Book is the name of thing that we read information from. Pen is the name of things that we write with. Chair is the name of things that we sit on. Phone is the name of things that we telephone with. Computer is the name of things that we type on or print with. Table is the name of things that we put something on. Bag is the name of things that we hold something with. Car is the name of thing that we transported with or that we use as a transportation. Name of animals or name of animal. Dog is the name of animal. Cat is the name of animal. Lion is the name of animal. All these three animals are carnivorous. Cow is the name of animal which is herbivorous. Goat is also the name of animal which is categorized as herbivorous. Bird is the name of animals that fly on the sky. Fish is the name of animals that live in water. Horse is the name of animal that is used to write, or the name of animal which is categorized as rivers. So all we have seen up to now is noun, name of place, name of things, name of animal, name of persons. Let's continue. Idea, name of idea. Love is noun, which is the name of idea. Peace is noun, which is the name of idea again. Freedom, happiness, knowledge, beautiful, kindness, honesty are idea. Love, ፍቅር, peace, ሰላም, freedom, ነፃነት, happiness, ደስተኝነት, knowledge, እውቀት, beauty, ቁንጅና፣ kindness፣ ደግነት፣ honesty፣ ታማኝነት እነዚህ የሀሳብ ወይም የአይዲያ ስሞች ናቸው። they are nouns. Part 2, type of nouns. We have learned nouns. Now we are going to learn what type of nouns are there. እስካሁን እንግዲህ የስም አይነቶችን አይተናል። የነገሮች ስም፣ የሰዎች ስም፣ የእንስሳት ስም፣ የቦታ ስም አይተናል። ደግሞ ታይፕ ኦፍ ናውንስ የስም አይነቶች ደግሞ ካታጎሪ ያላቸው we categorize the name of the type of nouns in different kinds. So let's see. ፕሮፐር ናውን ይባላሉ። አንዱ የናውን አይነት ነው ፕሮፐር ናውን። ሌትስ ሲ የተወሰኑ ስሞች ማለት ነው። ኤግዛምፕልስ ኦፍ ፕሮፐር ናውንስ ኢትዮጵያ ኢዝ ፕሮፐር ናውን፣ አዲስ አበባ ኢዝ ፕሮፐር ናውን፣ አፍሪካ ኢዝ ፕሮፐር ናውን፣ ናይል ሪቨር ኢዝ ፕሮፐር ናውን፣ ማንዳ ኢዝ ፕሮፐር ናውን፣ እንግሊሽ ኢዝ ፕሮፐር ናውን፣ ቨርብስ አበበ ኢዝ ፕሮፐር ናውን፣ ሃና ኢዝ ፕሮፐር ናውን፣ ቶዮታ is proper noun. Google is proper noun. Proper nouns ሁል ጊዜ ካፒታል ሌተር ይጀምራሉ። There are also common nouns. The first part of part 2 is common noun. የተለመዱ ስሞች ማለት ነው። ኤግዛምፕል ሲቲ ከተማ ስንል which city we don't know. There may be ደብረ ብርሃን in our country, አዲስ አበባ፣ ባህር ዳር፣ ዋሽንግተን ዲሲ፣ London. We don't know which city is it. Therefore, it is common noun. Common noun ይባላል. When we differentiate which city it is, we call it as proper noun. Let's say Addis Ababa is a capital city of Ethiopia, which can be differentiated from other countries' capital city. Therefore, it is proper noun. Proper nouns are identified which countries they represent. A school is a common noun. Which school? Is it primary? Is it secondary? Or which school? It is common noun. Teacher is a common noun. What kind of teacher? English teacher? Is he English teacher? Is he biology teacher? So this is common noun. Book, which book? Is it English book or biology book or chemistry book? So when we differentiate a book by its purpose, it is said to be proper noun. Or if it is not differentiated by its purpose, it is common noun. Country, which country? If you don't differentiate which country it is common noun. River, which river? We don't know. It can be Zambezi, it can be Nile, it can be Blue Nile. So when we differentiate the river where it starts and towards what it flows, we call it as proper noun. For example, Nile River starts from Ethiopia. So Ethiopia River is Nile, so it is proper noun. Otherwise, when we simply call river, it is common noun. Dog is also common noun. What kind of dog? Car is also common noun. Is it Toyota? Is it Mitsubishi? Is it Deo? Is it Escher? Which kind of car it is? Therefore, it is common noun. Therefore, it is common noun. Common nouns ብዙ ጊዜ በትንሽ ፊደል ይጀምራሉ. Common nouns start with small letters, while proper nouns start with capital letter. We have seen the proper noun. Let me repeat the proper noun. Proper noun እንደግማለን. Ethiopia is proper noun because Ethiopia is a country which is not colonized in Africa. So Ethiopia is a proper noun. Addis Ababa is a capital city of Ethiopia. It is a proper noun. Africa is a continent. Therefore, it is also a proper noun. Nile River is a proper noun which starts from Ethiopia. Monday is a day of the week, which is first day. It is also a proper noun. English is a language that internationally spoken. It is also a proper noun. Ababa is a person's name which differentiates him from other person, Lama, John, David. Toyota is a car which differentiates from other car, Nissan, Mitsubishi, Kia. Proper nouns always start with capital letters. ሁሉ ጊዜ በካፒታል ሌተር ነው የሚጀምሩት። ስለዚህ ፕሮፐር ናውን እና ኮመን ናውን ብለን የናውን አይነትን እስካሁን ድረስ በሁለት ከፍለን ነው ያየ ነው። we'll see the comparison between common noun and the proper noun. Comparison: common noun city, while proper noun is Addis Ababa. We can say common noun city, while proper noun is London. We can say also common noun city. We can also call proper noun Washington DC. Common noun country. The proper noun is Ethiopia. Common noun country. Proper noun can be America and English, Switzerland, England, Norway. Proper nouns represent the general noun that cannot be differentiated one from the other. Therefore, proper noun is the name or the noun that differentiates one from the other. When we call country, London is a country which is found in Europe. When we call country, it can be any country that can be found in Asia, Europe, or Africa. Common noun, river. Proper noun, Nile River. Nile River. Common noun, river. Proper noun is Nile River. Common noun, teacher. Proper noun is Mr. Solomon, who is English or mathematics teacher, whatever. Common noun, company. Proper noun is Google. Google is a proper noun for an app. We come to part 3. What does part 3 matter? Introduction to pronouns. Introduction to pronouns. When we say pronouns, pronouns are words that replace nouns to avoid repeating them. እንዳንደጋግማቸው, it is boring because we don't repeat nouns again and again because it is boring when we repeat nouns again and again. ተውላጠ ስሞች ማለት ስምን ተክተው የሚመጡ ናቸው። ምክንያቱም ስሞችን እንዳንደጋግም የሚረዱ ናቸው ማለት ነው። let's say for example, አበበ is a student. አበበ is kind. አበበ studies English. When we say this kind of sentence by repeating the noun አበበ again and again, it is boring. So we have to say Ababa is a student, he is kind, he studies English. This is perfect way of saying. As we have seen, repeating nouns again and again is boring. What we have seen in our example is that Ababa is a student, Ababa is kind, Ababa studies English. We repeated Ababa 3 times. This is boring. So we have to say Ababa is a student, he is kind, he is a person who studies English. So Ababa should not be repeated many times again and again in order to avoid boring sense, which can be replaced with pronoun. He is a pronoun that replaces Ababa. I is the first person singular. You is the second person singular and the plural. He, she, it are third person singulars. We is the first person plural. They is the third person plural. Are pronouns. She is a teacher. They are students. This is our today's lesson that we have seen different kinds of nouns and pronouns. There are a lot of nouns and pronouns that we have seen. If you like this video, please share it to your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.